In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload your own assets to refine an Artistly AI. Uploading your own assets lets you take existing images, designs, or references and improve them using AI instead of starting from scratch. First, go to the Upload section inside Artistly AI and select the image or asset you want to work on. This could be a photo, illustration, product image, or any visual reference. Once uploaded, the AI will load your asset into the editor, so you can start refining it using prompts, editing tools, or enhancements. Next, you can adjust specific parts of the image using tools like in painting or background editing, where you can improve the whole image by regenerating variations based on your upload. This is especially useful for fixing low-quality images, improving lighting, changing styles, or turning rough ideas into polished visuals. After refining, you can use the upscale tool to increase resolution and make your final output sharper and more professional. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.